Monopoly, the America Special Edition, How to Play. The rules are the same as regular Monopoly except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. Before beginning, pick which of the 4 optional corner rules you will play with. You can use all of them if you want. When playing with just visiting or free parking, shuffle the American Challenge deck and place it face down to the side. Go. If you land on go by exact count, then you may choose to give up your salary in exchange to moving to any non-corner space on the board. Then, follow the normal rules for that space. Just visiting. When you land here, except from getting out of jail, then another player draws the top card from the American Challenge deck and reads it aloud for you to answer. If you answer correctly, move to any unowned property and buy it for its listed price. If there are no unowned properties, then do nothing. Free parking. When you land here, then another player draws the top card from the American Challenge deck and reads it aloud for you to answer. If you answer correctly, then you can take any unowned property on the first side of the board, that is, the purple and light blue side, for free. Or you can request another card be read. If you answer that card correctly, then you can collect any unowned property for free that is on the second side of the board, that is, the side with the magenta and orange properties. Or you can request another card for access to the third side, then another for the fourth side. If you answer any card incorrectly, then you get nothing. If all the properties are owned on your side and the side below it, then you get to choose from the next higher side instead. If there are no more unowned properties on the higher side, then nothing happens and you do not answer any more questions this turn. Once all the properties on the board are owned, then when you land here, no question card is read. Go to jail. If you land here, you may choose to hire a lawyer for $20. If you do, roll both dice. If you roll an odd number, then you are not guilty and you do not go to jail, but instead stay where you are on the go to jail space. Otherwise, you must go to jail like you normally would.